Welcome to Maintainer's Garage. I'm Bags. Today we're going to be following up on our ceramic coating that we did from Avalon King, our Armor Shield 9. And it's been 4 weeks since I applied it. I'm going to give my car its first bath since then. I'm going to do a quick little walk around, show you some of the spots. The dirt collects really back here a lot on the C5 and C6 Corvette. Overall on the whole front of the car, there's almost no dirt. There's a lot less dirt than normal back here. But there is still some, and I'll get the camera and bring you in and show you a couple water spots, and we'll do that. The only thing I will say is you just got to make sure when you ceramic coat a car you use the appropriate car wash. I'm going to be using Adams. It's pH neutral, it's locally sourced, so I don't have to order it online or anything like that. Avalon King, along with some others, sell ceramic based or sell car washes that are good for ceramic coatings as well. But I wanted to try a different one to start off with, and I may end up switching to another one later. But for the first one, I just wanted to use something I could put my hands on today from a local store and see how it works. And again, it's pH neutral, so it doesn't hurt the ceramics. So let's do a quick walk around and show you some of the dirt. Then I'll wash it, then we'll do another walk around. I just realized I don't have soap, so I've got to go get soap, but that's okay. Anyway, so we're looking at it. I have yet to wash it. I will show you after I wash it. What I'm trying to show you here is, and not sure how well this is going to come up on the camera right here, this whole little strip. I did not ceramic coat this lip right here, this edge. I did this, but not that edge. Why does that matter? As you can see, I've driven through the rain on purpose multiple times after I let this cure. So there's buildup of dirt and grime there that is, and on this trim as well, that's not on the car. Now there are some water spots, and I'm not sure if that will come out in the camera. Yeah, there's a couple water spots here and there, and those should be easy to get off, but overall the car looks fantastic. And on the back of the C5 and the C6 Corvette, the dirt and grime builds up around the tail light, but the back of the car is significantly dirtier than the front and sides, and that's typical in this car. So it'll be interesting to see how easy that is to clean. And the other side, like I said, it's held up really well. On the front of the car it's a bug killing machine, so hopefully all that will come off. Sometimes I have to use a bug brush to get that off, or a bug sponge, not a bug brush, and like that right there. So we're going to give it a bath, and but I just want to give you an overview about how well the Armor Shield 9 has held up. It's done a great job. It looks good. My wife is very impressed. I've got to do her car at some point in the future now. After I give it a bath, I'll talk about how some of these spots were easy or not easy to clean. Sorry, it's a little awkward with the shadows. Just finished washing my car, and I don't want to have to wear sunglasses to be in the sunlight, but it was easier to wash. Now on those, and I'll do a quick walk around on the car afterwards to show you after I washed it. Those bug spots up front, I couldn't get with my normal sponge. I did have to use my bug sponge, but when I say I didn't have to put much effort into it, one wipe down, just literally sponge on bumper, dragging it across, and they came right off. All the dirt back here came off very easily. So overall, the car was easier to wash. The dirt was easier to remove. The amount of dirt on the sponge was not the same, and especially in the back of the car. The amount of dirt that was on the back of the car was significantly less than normal. So overall, a month into ceramic coating ownership, I like it. So Avalon King and Armor Shield 9 are doing a pretty good job. I'm fairly impressed. My wife looked at it and she's fairly impressed. Like I said, I'm gonna have to do her car at some point. But like I said, I'll do a walk around and show you that. And yeah, the back of the car was very easy to wash. The sides of the car cake, even on the lower panels down here where I normally get a good bit of grime, and there was still dirt down there, but nowhere near as much. And on the front bumper, as stated, I did have to hit it with my bug sponge, but it didn't take much effort at all to get all of those gone. And the car looks fantastic. All the water spots are gone. There was that one over there, it's gone. There was one over here, it's gone. So yeah, any water spots that were on the car are now gone, and it looks really good. So overall, I'm extremely happy with how this went and how it's gone. And so far, there's going to be more updates, more follow-ups coming. So I'll let you know when those happen. Thanks for watching Maintainer's Garage. Have a great day.